This is the easiest way to add outdoor speakers without the need to drill into your home. This kit works with most weatherproof speakers and brings high-quality sound to your outdoor space. You can get the kit standalone or purchase with a pair of outdoor speakers hand-picked to be perfect for the included amplifier. Speaking of which, this Lepai amp will give you 30 watts per channel, which is all the power you need. And being outdoors, the amplifier will also have even less obstacles, making the Bluetooth 5.0 connection more efficient. Setup can be completed with a few tools from around the house and consists of nothing more than drilling holes, screwing things down, and connecting a few wires. About 10 minutes and you can mount it wherever you like. Heat, snow, storms, or water will not affect your new outdoor speaker system. Turn your outdoors into something special the easy way. Head over to partsexpress.com to learn more.